everyone, welcome to our first vlog. This is where we are going to be showing you our build of our workshop. At the moment I'm actually stood in the lodge. We've just taken out all the corrugated plastic roofing that's going to be the roof of the main garage section of the workshop. Chloe and John are currently putting that on, so I will show you that in a moment, and I'm also doing a time-lapse video for you as well, so you'll also see that later on in this vlog. So I'll give you a tour of the lodge as it is at the moment, because it's not going to stay like this, but I will show you it. So this is the inside of our lodge. As you can see, we need to redo the windows, and this is the lovely flooring it has at the moment, but we will be changing that. And we've got some more roofing up here, and we have some windows to go in as well, as you can see. But those windows are not just for the lodge, they're also for the main workshop, which you'll be able to see. And you can just make out my silhouette there in the reflection of the glass. So hi everyone! There's another window there, another window there, and as you can see there is actually a kitchen area. We are going to actually put in a caravan kitchenette there, so when we're down here we can eat, we can drink, so when we're working it's nice and simple. There we are, there's Chloe. She's poking out of the side of the workshop, which is the main garage area there. That will be all closed off. I'll just go down so you can see everybody. There we are, there's John and there's Chloe working away the corrugated plastic roofing that's going on the main garage area. There you go, there's Sid, he's ready and waiting. You can see my camera set up there, which is doing the time lapse. And here, corrugated plastic and lots of wood. Okay, so as you can see, the roof is going on very slowly. We've got John and Chloe on the case, and it's a lovely sunny October morning. And if I just show you behind me, there you go, there's my camera set up, which is doing the time lapse. So you can see I've got everything all set up, and you can see that Chloe and John are fitting up the roofing. I will show you underneath it so you can see, but as I was saying earlier about the windows, here it's going to be our doorway. We've actually got a door to go in and lovely glass windows, and even opening windows for the top there, so that's going to be quite nice, especially in the winter months, which then gives us that bit of windproof, cold-proof, because all we need to do then is get one of those colour gas heaters, and that would heat up part of the garage. Okay, so I'll show you around. There we are, there's the roofing going up. We have quite a few sheets already going in, already screwed in. We need to put another sheet there, and as you can see they're doing that one. And we have to put another 2 sheets along there. The back end there is going to be a storage for parts. So we're going to, this will be all walled up, parts. There's the lodge, as I said earlier. We're also going to put a bit of corrugated plastic. We're going to ask the neighbour if we can go into their section, put it up there. That bit's going to be walled, and our lovely big space there for our garage. So the doors will go there, and then we've got the fencing, the gates there. And there's Sid, which means we've got a little bit of storage just outside the lodge, so we can also park a couple of cars there. Future projects if we need to put them in, and also anything that we need to unfortunately scrap and take parts off of. So yeah, so our Solstice Studios is coming along lovely, and we're quite looking forward to when it's all finished and we can start building our retro renovations cars here. So for our patrons, if you chose the shout out option, so here's the shout out. So thank you very much Dave Patey for becoming our patron. You will obviously see at the end of the credits your name will also appear in bright white lights. If you'd like to become a patron, please see the links down below in the description. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. We have a Facebook page for retro renovations. There too, you'll find all the details down in the description, as well as our page Solstice Studios, which is the name we use for our workshop. So again, if you want to follow us, down below in the description. Okay, if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, please don't forget to do so, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.